Hey everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to my channel, which is now called The British Accent Guy. I hope you like the name of this channel. It tells you exactly what this channel does, right? Which is to help you to improve your pronunciation in English, to speak more clearly, and of course, speak with a British accent, by which I mean modern received pronunciation. If that's not something you're interested in, maybe this isn't the video for you. But if you're interested in learning the British accent, then keep watching because we're going to practice all of the vowel sounds in English in this video. I explain this in much more detail in my full course, The Sounds of English, but I just want to give everybody a quick video to give you some practice of all of these sounds. If you want more information, you can go to my website, as always, speakenglishwithchris.com, or you can take my free accent course where you can learn more. Okay, so let's first of all go over the single vowel sounds in English. Okay, so I've chosen words which start and end with the same sounds, but they have a different vowel sound in the middle, so we can practice all of these sounds. Okay, so repeat after me. Beat, beat. So this has E in it, a long E, single vowel sound. Your tongue is at the top of your mouth, at the front. E. Lower your tongue a little bit, and we have I, I. Slightly further back, a little bit further down. I, bit, bit, bet, bet. So your tongue is roughly in the middle of your mouth at the front. Bet, to make this vowel E. Then we have bat, bat. So here, when you say at, your tongue is further down. So let's practice some of these vowel sounds. E, I, E, A. E, I, E, A. So as you say these vowel sounds, you'll find that probably your tongue is moving down in your mouth and your mouth is opening a little bit wider towards the end. Okay, so next we have the word but, which can be pronounced in two ways, either but or but. So the first one contains the vowel sound and when you say this, your mouth is wide open, but. Your tongue is at the bottom of your mouth. But. Your tongue moves up a bit further and we say but. But. So the first one is the second one is but. But. So normally when this word is not stressed, it's pronounced but. But when it is stressed, it's pronounced but, the first pronunciation. Okay, so this is and It will be helpful if you repeat after me and try to get your pronunciation sounding like mine for this exercise. And then we have This is a long vowel sound. Almost like you don't like to eat something. You say But. This is a boy's name or a man's name. But. And now we have 5 more single vowel sounds in English. The first is oo, boot, boot. So your lips are round here. Ooh, ooh, boot. Then we have put, put, put. So ooh and or. Then we have bought, bought, or. Then we have o. So when you make the sound o, which is very particular to the British accent, your tongue is at the bottom of your mouth, at the back. Bot, bot. And also Bart, very long vowel sound here. Bart. All right, so these are all the single vowel sounds in English. Some of them are long and some of them are short. So we've practiced some of the differences between them. You'll notice that in the pronunciation guide, the long vowel sounds have 2 dots after the symbol. This means that it's a longer vowel sound. Okay, so now we're going to practice the double vowel sounds. I know we're going really quickly, but just try to repeat after me and we can go into more detail in other videos. The first one is A. Bait, A, All of these sounds are long vowel sounds because they are two vowel sounds put together. A, bait, bait. Then we have ear, beard, beard. This is ear. Then we have air, air, bear. So this is not pronounced like bear, like in an American accent. It doesn't have the R sound in it. It's bear, bear. And bite with I in it. Bite. Okay, try repeating these words after me. We've got 4 more double vowel sounds, or diphthongs in English. Then we'll have covered all 20 of the vowel sounds in modern received pronunciation. So next we have bout. So this is b, ow, t, ow. Watch the shape of my mouth when I say this. Ow, ow. Almost like something hurts you, so you say ow, bout. Then we have oat, boat, boat. This is what you travel in when you want to go across the sea. It's a boat. And 2 more. Pure, pure. This is plus pure, pure, pure. We can also say pure, pure. But for this exercise, we're saying pure, pure. And buoyed. Okay, this is a slightly strange word. It means that you are lifted up when you are in the water. So if you're in the sea and the sea is lifting you up, or you have a float on your arms which is lifting you up, then you are buoyed. So here we're pronouncing the sound oi, o plus I, o I, buoyed, buoyed. So here we have ow, o, and oi. All right, so now we've practiced all of the vowel sounds in English. I really hope you found this video useful and this exercise useful. Let me know if you would like to have more like hard exercise like this to practice. And if you've got any questions at all, just leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching once again, and see you back on the channel very soon. Have a nice day.